can't believe it's already the end of the project. So much time spent with beautiful and interesting people, thank God. I never thought that I will have the occasion to be the part of this wonderful project and to get to know so many fascinating things about different types of professions and how this can change your life in a better way. I'm so grateful for your work, and I can't wait to participate in Edu123 2022-2023 for people around 15-16 years old like myself. Thank you a lot, and I'm looking forward to see you again.
Hello, my name is Gabriela Lupacescu and I've been a part of the Edu123 project for 10 months now. Yeah, it's been a very unique project. I've never seen something this educational before. I've learned a lot of new things on every session. I've met a lot of new people, especially the trainers. The trainers were really cool, really awesome, really receptive and understanding. And this just proves that the people working at Edu123 headquarters are really putting their soul into their work. And thank you guys for such an awesome experience.
Hey, I have only 15 seconds, so I want to say thank you to all trainers. This program was really useful and interesting, and all of you do a great job. Thank you.
It has been an honor to introduce you to the world of science, technology, innovation, entrepreneurship. I wish you to dream very big, even if it seems impossible, and work very hard to make these impossible dreams come true.
It was a great pleasure to be a part of such a warm and friendly family during 10 months. I've spent an unforgettable time in Edu123, meeting smart and young people, sharing my own professional experience, and definitely learning so many things while working as a team. And I believe that the pedagogy module that we've delivered together with Oksana was a useful experience for our participants, and even if not all of them intend to become teachers, it will help them appreciate the term of education from a brandly new perspective, reconceptualize their own chances as learners, and apply pedagogical principles in their own daily and professional lives outside classroom. So congratulations to us all for the hard work, positive reasoning, and putting in a considerable measure of additional time. Thank you for everything.
Hi everybody, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Mika.
And I'm Madalina.
We're very sorry we're not there with you, but we just wanted to say congratulations on finishing the whole project of Edu123.
And thank you for joining all our workshops. It was a pleasure to meet each one of you, and we're very happy that you get till the end, and we hope you liked it.
Yeah, we wish you all the best and see you on the next project. Yeah.
Hey folks, I'm Dan. I'm your trainer at IT and Computer Science. I hope for the last couple of months you had an amazing ride. We explored with almost all of you some fields of IT, of computer science, and I hope some of you would actually found and start a career in this field, in this domain, and would be really awesome in their roles. See you later!
Hi everyone! I'm very sad that I'm not there with you, but I am sending you my best wishes, and never forget the rule number 1, never lose your money. Bye!
Dear participants, or already alumni, I'm sorry that I can't be there today with you, but I would like to let you know that I'm very proud of all your achievements. Congratulations for completing the Edu123 program. Thank you to everyone who is part of this project for making an impact. I'm looking forward to staying in touch with you, and I wish everyone a great celebration.